Hello, I am Rushikesh. Welcome back to my part 2 video of AWS Cloud Practitioner. Always I am thankful to my instructor Viswasuraj Govind Swami who is always helping to me for the learning something new. So today we are learning about IT terminology. There are mainly four type of IT terminology. First is network, second is router, switch and DNS. First is network, a group of connected device, computer, phone, server, sharing resource. Example, office LAN. If you have if device are two and more devices are connected with each other and just sharing the information and some like important things, so it's called a network. Router, like a traffic controller, decide where to send data packet. Example, your Wi-Fi router at home. Router is deciding to the how much data are just transferring to and who is the using the too much data and how to transfer there. Third is a switch. Connect device in one network so they can talk. Example, all office PCs connected to a single switch. If have 5 to 10 PCs and devices are connected with each other in just to by just a LAN, so that time use the switch. Fourth is the DNS. Convert website name into IP address. Every website has their own IP address, so every people don't need to uh, understand and all know about the IP address. So just type the name of that website. Second is a traditional infrastructure. Before cloud, companies follow this approach: buy physical server, networking gear, storage, set up server in data center, install operation, operating systems and applications, hire IT staffs to maintain everything. So it was very long and very costly. So that's so in present times, eh, people are using the cloud stuffs. For example, a small bank in 2010 want to launch online banking. They must buy 10 server, approximately in Indian rupees is of 40 lakhs rounding, pay for a cooling, power, rack and security. So it was very costly. Wait weeks per and month for setups. Yeah, it was taking the too much time for the weeks on months and depending on the location and the peoples are who how they are work. If traffic increase suddenly they must buy more servers. Problems with traditional IT approach: high upfront cost, server, software license, IT staff, millions of rupees. Scalability issues, takes months to add resource. Maintenance burden, must patch OS, upgrade hardware, manage failures. Disaster recovery, if a data center burn down, business goes offline. Just for example, if have any earthquake and have any major issue, so that time business goes down. Geographical limits, to expand to Europe or US, company must buy new data center there. For example, Flipkart in early days had to buy more server before festive sales. If they underestimated, site crashed. If they overestimated, money wasted. Cloud solve this by auto scaling. The deployment models of the cloud. Cloud deployment models define how cloud resources are made available to users. First, public cloud, resource owned and operated by cloud provider AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. User multiple organized share infrastructure. Example, currently people are using the Netflix, use AWS to deliver content globally. Second is a private cloud. Exclusive cloud infrastructure for one organization can be on premises or hosted by provider. Example, bank stores and sensitive financial data in private cloud for companies. Third is a hybrid cloud. Mix of public plus private cloud. Example, healthcare provider keep patients data on private cloud but uses AWS for analytics. Fourth is a community cloud. It's optional, shared by organization with similar requirement. If just for example, government agencies share a Now another is five characteristics of cloud computing NIST standard. First, on-demand self-service. User can provision computing resources automatically without human intersection. Example, launching an EC2 instant on AWS in minutes. Second is a broad network access. Service available over the internet on multiple devices. If you want to access the any application, you can just use by the PC, tablet, mobile. For example, access Gmail from laptop or phone. This is a very good example and easy to understand. Third is a resource pooling. Providers resource are shared across the multiple customer using multi-tenancy. Example, AWS servers serve multiple customers with isolation. Fourth is a rapid elasticity. Resource scales up and down automatically based on the demand. Example, Flipkart big billion day auto scaling servers. Fifth is a measure servers. Cloud use is a monitored, controlled and billed. Example, AWS bill per GB storage per hour of EC2 uses. Six most advantage of cloud computing. Cost saving, cost saving, pay only for what you use. If you are just using the one service, you can just pay for that service, not for all. Scalability scales resource based on demand. Third is a performance, high speed infrastructure and global disturbance. If you want to use your any things from the cloud computing, you can access anywhere, any part of the world. Reliability and high availability. Redundant system prevents downtime. Security, cloud provider offer advanced security features. You don't need to worry about the any your private information, so it's a very secure. Flexibility and accessibility, access from anywhere anytime, which I was told you in a just few minutes ago. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let's tune with my third video. Thank you.